Hello, we are Group 12. I'm Bhargav and he's Harsh, and we are representing Gamer Subs. Um, this is our milestone 2 for the group project, and he's the technical lead, and I'm the business lead. So I'll ask Harsh to start with the technical presentation first.
So, as you can see, this is our Flask app. So, in this, we separated every route, such as API join that creates users and cohorts, API upload like runs the embedding pipeline, and API query is our RAG endpoint. So, we have two databases running for this one. So, first one is SQLite that stores structured data, users, cohorts, messages, etc. And ChromaDB is our vector store data, which is just to like divide the big files into smaller chunks. Into like we use OpenAI's text embeddings, which is Ada 002. So first, I think to just demonstrate, we'll like show the I think the service.
Oh, yeah, we could actually start again. Just a second. Yeah, CD backend and yeah. So this is our server started.
So so as you can see, it's like confirmed uh, this and it is hosted at localhost 5000. So this is how the basic UI for now looks like. We have still have other plans to like add a home screen and like render. What is it?
Render Markdown.
Render Markdown.
Render Markdown also stream tokens live from the OpenAI backend, so the app is more interactive.
Also, we have a image here explaining how the whole thing works. So yeah, well, he will explain.
Oh yeah. So basically, what we do is this is what we just saw. We run the Flask app and get status. Okay, that is 200 if you see here on the terminal. Uh, Wait. Um, and you should see logs over here, which would indicate status 200. But yeah, it is currently active for now. And apart from that, we also have added in chat consistency and chat persistence. So it maintains chat history for now. Yeah. Basically, what we're doing is we are using SQLite to maintain the chat context. So now I'll just open this window and I'll just navigate to this wedding space. Say, let's just be here, Mia and Nathan's wedding space. And what happens is the front end calls post API/join and Flask inserts the username and the cohort name into SQLite. And by that, what we could do is we could select star from users and select star from cohorts and maintain the chat consistency or the chat history every time. Uh, and that is one another feature that Harsh has added in, like we have added in to the chat. Uh, Apart from that, we've also added in the knowledge base, which my teammate Harsh will explain.
So I'll upload the sample document, which is this one. Let me first open this document. Yeah, so I think this is the document which has like information and stuff required to know by the AI. So you can ask AI what. So it checks the source document that we uploaded and it grabs the information from there and it shows the time. So we have guided the AI to like not answer like other questions which are not related to the document. That's why it says here that he can only assist based on the document that we provide.
And then just to demo in the persistence, even if I like reload this window,
And then we press open.
uh, we press open wedding chat, it says AI hello and what time does the wedding start. So even if you refresh the server from the backend, the chat won't go away. Uh, to summarize,
So to summarize, we basically build a Flask REST API, which serves as the app and handling of all the business logic. Then SQLite for structured relational data, which is users, cohorts, messages, documents, etc. And for ChromaDB, we use ChromaDB for persistent vector embeddings, enabling semantic search, and we use OpenAI for embedding the documents and generating ground answers using their API key. And the API key is located in the .env folder. Yeah, there.
okay, yeah. Uh, and apart from that, we also have done some market research. We also have attached a presentation in the submission PDF. And what basically the market research we did told us is wedding plannings for now are highly fragmented, and couples typically manage just 10 to 15 people, use multiple platforms, and like deal with miscommunication. And so our intelligent of this Wedboard addresses this by creating a shared intelligent workspace, as you just saw. This was a like a very low level demo, but we create this workspace for the entire wedding party, and where we could you could discuss contracts, budgets, events, anything with a document aware AI assistant, and we are attaching a pitch deck, which is basically to in order to convince the investors that this is a really profit this truly is a profit making idea and they should really invest in this. We're looking at AI with SaaS and financial projections in our pitch deck show profitability by month 18 to potentially reach 4 million annual return rate within like 36 months. Timing is critical. Also, advances in AI like ChatGPT and Claude Code, etc., are increasing wedding complexity. And Gen Z's expectations for AI tools make this moment even ideal to launch in such a project in the market for now. We are roughly viewing revenue commissions around 8 to 12% from the vendors, and also have a subscription plan and enterprise licensing plans with this project associated with this project. Um, that'll be all. Thank you very much. We hope you like it. Thank you.